Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. A high-level probe is now underway into a shooting incident at the Islington police station in St. Mary this afternoon. 2 persons are dead, a police officer and an elderly woman. Investigators are probing the case as a murder-suicide. The deceased have been identified as 25-year-old District Constable Toyan Ormsby and 62-year-old Donette Maxwell. It's reported that shortly after 1 o'clock, explosions were heard on the compound of the police station. The bodies of the 2 were later seen on the ground. It's being alleged that the district constable shot Miss Maxwell and then turned the weapon on himself. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, the Inspectorate of Constabulary, IOC, and the Bureau of Special Investigations are probing the deadly shooting. Commanding Officer of the St. Mary Division, Daylan Clark, says counseling will be provided for the relatives of the 2 deceased.
We are scheduling some counseling for them. So the police officers are really in a somber mood now. It's an unfortunate incident, but we just have to deal with it.